السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي طلاب الصف الاول الاعدادي. إن شاء الله هنكمل معاكم النهاردة اللي بدأناه في الحصص اللي فاتت. النهاردة هنشتغل مع بعض على Theorem 3 on Triangle. هنكمل إن شاء الله مع بعض واحدة واحدة كده لحد ما المنهج بتاعنا يخلص على خير بإذن الله. Theorem 3 بتقول إيه؟ بتتكلم على Triangle وبتتكلم على the length of line segment joining between the midpoints of any two sides of triangle equal half length of the third side. Then, if we have a triangle like ABC, A, B, C, E is a midpoint, D is a midpoint of AC. Then the length of line segment ED equal half length of BC. How to prove this theorem? Number one, since E is a midpoint of AB and D is a midpoint of AC, then line segment ED parallel to line segment BC. Okay, this is a first point. When we draw from D parallel to AB intersection at F, then this figure is a parallelogram. Then we know the length of each two opposite sides in parallelogram is equal. Then ED equals to FB. But when we draw parallel from D is a midpoint of line segment AC. When we draw parallel from D to AB, then F must be in the midpoint of BC. Then we know BF equals half BC. Then we can replacement FB by equal half BC. Then ED equal half BC. Okay, now we will solve some examples about this theorem. If we have a triangle ABC and EDF is the midpoints of its sides, if you know that AB equal 10 centimeter, AC equals 6 centimeter, BC equals BC equals 12 centimeter. Find perimeter of triangle EDF. Okay. Since E is a midpoint of AB, D is a midpoint of AC, then ED parallel to BC and equal half length, then ED equal half BC. But BC equal 12 centimeter, then ED equal 6 centimeter. Since E midpoint of AB, comma, D midpoint of AC, therefore ED equal half length of BC equal 6 centimeter. Similarly, by the same way, we can find the length of EF, because E is a midpoint of AB, F is a midpoint of BC, then EF equal half length of AC, but AC equals 6 centimeter, then EF equal 3 centimeter. By the same way, we can find the length of EDF. DF, because F is a midpoint of line segment AC, F is a midpoint of line segment BC, then DF equal half length of AB equal 10 centimeter, then equal 5 centimeter. DF equal 5 centimeter. Then the perimeter equal 6 plus 3 plus 5 equal 14 centimeter. Okay, another example. If we have a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral with 4 sides, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, L is the midpoints of its sides. X, Y, Z, L is the midpoint of its sides. Prove that X, Y, Z, L is a parallelogram. Prove that X, Y, Z, L is a parallelogram. Take care this theorem using in triangle, not in quadrilaterals. Then we will draw a construction to convert this quadrilateral into 2 triangles. We will draw BD or AC, one of its diagonals. Then we will make construction, draw BD. Now, look at the triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. X is the midpoint of AB. X midpoint of AB. L midpoint of AD. Midpoint and the midpoint, the line segment joining between the 2 midpoints, then number 1, XL parallel to BD, comma, XL equal half BD. That's the first relation. Now, BXL parallel to BD and equal half length. Look at the triangle BCD. Y midpoint of BC. This triangle. Z midpoint of DC. Then YZ parallel to BD and YZ equal half length BD. Second relation. Look at the 2 relations between number 1 and number 2. XL parallel to BD, also YZ parallel to BD. Then that means XL parallel to yz. xl equal half bd and yz also equal half bd. That means xl equal yz. xl equal yz and parallel to yz, then two opposite sides are equal and parallel, then XYZL is a parallelogram. شكرا لمتابعتكم للدرس. ما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناة عشان يوصل لكم الدروس الجديدة بإذن الله. كل يوم هنزل لكم درس جديد لحد ما نخلص المنهج بإذن الله. قول لزمايلك عليه عشان خاطر يشوفوه، عشان خاطر يتابعوا معانا الدروس المتبقية معانا في المنهج. Thank you for listening.